Hey everyone, this is episode 5 of Python Basics for Beginners. Today we will be learning about for and while loops, so let's get started. So first thing to know is the basic syntax of a for loop. So we start with for I in range 5, then print I. This is the basic syntax of it. Now when we run it, just ignore all of this. Those are failed attempts at recording the video. Either way, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry. So it basically starts counting from 0 and then counts 5 times. So it considers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 as stuff they counted. And I is just a variable for counting, for like the current count or whatever. Now we're gonna learn about start, stop, and stop. Let's say we want to make it print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 instead of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna make the starting position 1 and the stopping position 6, since it will not count 6 but it will count 5. So running it again. And we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here's another example. Let's say we need to use the step. Now the step just skips over a certain amount of numbers. So for example, step 2 skips 1 number, step 3 skips 2 numbers, step 4 skips 3 numbers, etc. Either way, so step 2, and let's make it 11, and let's make the starting position in 0. So saving it and printing it will print basically 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it's gonna print 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 down. Sorry, I don't know what's happening with me today. Either ways, as you can see, 0, 2, 4, or 6, 8, and 10, which are only even numbers. So next up, what if we have a Python list? So let's get a list. So for example, a Python list called fruits. Now if you just print fruits and run it, it's gonna be printed on one line. What if we want to print them on multiple lines? So we use a for loop. So it's gonna be for, let's say, x, since it's always a variable, it doesn't matter, in fruits. Now what this does is, instead of counting numbers, it starts counting the indexes. Apple is the 0th position, banana is the 1st position, cherry is the 2nd position, etc. So for example, print x, and since it's counting and there's a current count, etc., it's gonna print apple on the line, banana on the line, and cherry on the line. So running it again, apple, banana, and cherry. I think this is simple, and we're done with basic for loops. Yeah, that's it for loops. It's basically just like counting it, and yeah, that's it. So let's proceed on to while loops. So basically while loops continue looping forever if something is true. So for example, if x equals to true and y x equal equal true. Sorry, I'm not sure what's happening with my hands today on the keyboard. So it will gonna continue printing. Oh wait, I'm sorry, I keep typing what I'm saying. Anyways, printing this statement will print forever. So running it, this statement will print forever. The best way to stop this is just closing up the command line. And what if we want the user to stop it? Give him the choice to stop it. He doesn't want it to be printed forever. This is where break comes in. Break also works with for loops, but since this is an infinite loop, we're gonna use break with this. For example, let's ask the user if he wants to input say stop to stop this infinite loop, and so we're gonna add an if statement inside. If input equal to stop break. So it's gonna continue printing forever. So for example, pressing enter will continue the loop forever. And what if we want to stop it? Stop. Hold on. Stop, maybe I must stop. What? Input. Hold on, oh wait, so let's try I equals and if I equals to stop. Let's try this instead. What? Oh wait, I think we didn't add code outside the loop. Print exited. Yeah, I don't think this is the right way to say the loop stopped. Either ways, we're gonna run it again. Stop. Exited. Yeah. The entire problem was so basically the entire problem was we needed code after the while loop. I'm sorry. Either ways, running it again with the input. Stop. Yeah. Oh wait actually. Stop. Hold on. Yeah, either ways you need a variable, and so basically when inputting you need a variable and print exit. Not really, like you just have to have code after the loop. Next up, here's a good example of using while loops. So let's say that we're trying to enter a password, so let's first off declare a variable called pass equals to nothing. We're just gonna leave it like that. Then while pass does not equal to, what would be our password? Oh wait. Yeah, we're using a name of the Python function, that's why. Yeah, while password. Yes, I got confused, I'm sorry. Either ways, while password is not equal to 1 2 3 4, which is our correct password. So we're gonna I equal input. What's the password? And then if oh wait, actually don't need if. We need it and then print access grants. Now of course, never ever in your life make a password entry just like this. Like, the password is right here, it's not even encrypted. So we're running it and we should see, for example, 1 2 3 4, access granted. Now let's continue typing random stuff in the password box. As you can see, it will not let us in. So next up, so you can also do it like for loops. You can also add code inside of it, like any kind of code or functions or whatever. You can even add loops inside of loops, and same thing happens to if statements. You can add if statements inside of if statements inside of if statements, but nested loops and if statements will be a topic for another day. So this has been our episode today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next episode.